Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Don't forget that the most common real estate listing contract that agents use is something called the exclusive right to sell. So the exclusive right to sell listing is the most common type of listing contract in California, mainly because it gives the agent the greatest chance of getting paid. Remember, the exclusive right to sell contract says if you're the listing agent and you bring the buyer, you get paid. If you're the listing agent and an outside agent brings the buyer, you still get paid. It also says if that seller is bored on a Saturday and they want to do their own open house and by some miracle of God herself, a buyer walks in and buys that property, you still get paid. That's why the exclusive right to sell listing is the most common type of listing contract in California. It gives the real estate agent the greatest chance of making money because it says regardless of who finds the buyer, whether it's the listing agent, an outside agent, or the seller herself or himself, they're still obligated to pay that agent a commission.